In this video, I'll demonstrate how to view and manage users' effective policies in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center so you can see which settings they're experiencing. Policies control certain settings for users. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Users, followed by Manage Users. This grid shows a list of active users in your organization. Select the user you want to manage. In this case, Adele Vance. Below the tiles at the top of the page, select Policies to see a list of policies assigned to the user. When users have a policy other than the default global policy, select View to see the precedence of all policies assigned to them. Direct user assignments take precedence over group assignments, and when there's more than one group assignment, the higher-ranking group policies take precedence over lower-ranking ones. The lower the number, the higher the rank. Both direct user and group-assigned policies have precedence over the global org-wide policy. Of course, you can also change policy assignments. Just select Edit. Edit each policy. In this case, I'm restoring Adele to the global meeting policy. And then select Apply to save your work. Now the user will experience the policy settings you've assigned here. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to view and manage users' effective policies, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.